channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In this video I am going to explain 10th class math state syllabus chapter 3 polynomials. In that, next topic is graphical representation of linear polynomial. Okay, here for a linear polynomial, graph will shows the straight line. Graph will shows the straight line. Actually, how it will be? So let us see the one example. Then you can understand. Okay. Before that, what is linear polynomial? What is the general expression for linear polynomial? General form of linear polynomial is general form of linear polynomial. Ax plus b is equal to 0. Ax plus b is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Where a not equal to 0. Here we are taking the condition a is not equal to 0. Okay. First see ax plus b is equal to 0 is the general linear polynomial I said no. So we are taking here condition is a is not equal to 0. Why? Why we are taking a is not equal to 0? First of all, before that, why we are calling this is a linear polynomial? Why? Because here x power how much is there? Any number not there means 1 na? So if any expression having degree 1, that is a linear polynomial, right? So that it is a linear polynomial. Here a is not equal to 0 we are taking. Why we should take a is not equal to 0? If a is equal to 0, then what will happen? So let us see. Here if you take a is equal to 0, then substituting this a into x plus b is equal to 0. 0 into something 0. 0 plus b is equal to 0. Means b is equal to 0. Is there any linear polynomial here? In the case of a is equal to 0? No, there is no linear polynomial. That's what we should take a is not equal to 0. Then only it will exist linear polynomial. You should remember this. Okay. Next is graphical representation. Okay, through one example I will explain. Actually I said for you linear polynomial graph it will shows a straight line, right? So how it will be? One example. So suppose I am taking linear polynomial 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is linear polynomial. Why? Because x power 1 is there. So it is linear. Now let us take, let y is equal to 2x plus 3. Let y is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we should find the x values and y values. Then we can plot the graph. Then we can understand whether it is straight line or something. Okay. Okay. Now I am taking here only 4-5 values enough. Okay. Now I am taking, first I am finding xy values. Okay. After finding xy values, then here x, here y, here x comma y. Okay. Just I am taking values. Suppose x is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2. Any 4-5 values enough. If you take still more also you can take. Suppose I want to take 5 values. -2, -1, 0, 1, one more value 2. X values just we should take ourselves only. Okay. Just any 4 or 5 values enough. Okay. Now let us find the value of y by substituting x values. First one, if x is equal to -2. If you want to find first 0 means also no problem. Anyway, just I am finding like this. X is equal to -2. Then y value what will happen? what you will get? X place I am substituting minus 2. Why? Because we took minus 2. Okay. So y is equal to plus into minus minus 2 2s are 4 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 minus 1. Right? Here y value what we got at x value minus 2, then y value minus 1. So here coordinates what it will become minus 2 minus 1 x y value. Right? Next, if x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay, so minus 1 comma 1. Next, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Now you can write here, if x value 0, then y value what we got it? 3. Okay. Now here 0 comma 3. Here why we should take 0 comma 3 only, why we should not take 3 comma 0? Sometimes students will get doubt, yes or no? So you can tell to them, first when we are writing coordinates means points, first we should write x coordinate, then we can write y coordinate. Right. So first x we should write, then y we should write. That's what. Here x what? 0. Y what? 3. Like that we can say to the students. Now next, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So y value 5. So 1 comma 5. Next, if x is equal to 2, then 2 into y plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 2s are 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. Now here 7, that is 2 comma 7. Now we got the points now. Now let us plot the graph. How it will be? What I said, graphical representation of a linear polynomial. How it will be? Graph. Okay. Now let us see. Okay. I hope you understand how we got these values. That example is also there in the textbook. That only I am explaining. Why? Because some other also you can take. But because it will explain means you can understand easily and easy expression, right? That's what. One more also you can take linear any polynomial. Okay. Now I am going to plot the graphical representation. Here just I am writing minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 0, 3, 1, 5, 2, 7. Why? Because I am going to erase this. Otherwise space will not sufficient, right? That's what for plotting of graph. So here plane surface we can take x-axis and y-axis. See the values. X values maximum plus 2, y values maximum plus 7. Okay, this is 7. So y values we want 7. That's what, little bit down you can take x-axis. Okay. Here y, here x. Okay, here 0. Horizontal line always we can call it x-axis. Vertical line we can call it as always y-axis. Now take the right side of 0, always positive values. Up to 5 enough. Here minus 1, minus 2 enough. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Max 7 only now. So let it be 7. Right? Sum of I am writing. Now see. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Where it is minus 2 comma minus 1. On x-axis we should take minus 2. On y-axis we should take minus 1. So on x-axis minus 2. and y-axis minus 1. So minus 2 minus 1. Where it will be straight, you can take it and you can point it. Okay. Little bit down, so you will not get any confusion. Next, minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma plus 1. Okay, so x-axis minus 1, y-axis plus 1. So here only, so here it will be. Next, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 3. Here 0, x-axis 0, y-axis 3. So where it will be? Here it will be. Okay. Next, 1 comma 5. So where it is 1 comma 5? X-axis 1, y-axis 5. 1 comma 5. Okay. Next, 2 comma 7. X-axis 2, y-axis 7. Okay. Here it will be. So wherever that points are there, we took that as a straight line, right? So some points maybe it will not touch. So wherever the points are available, that we can take and we can draw straight line by joining the points. At least 2-3 points enough to join. This is a straight line. Like this will come graphical representation of linear polynomial. Yes or no? I hope you understand how to get the graphical representation of the linear polynomial. Here you can say, you can write the values also here if you want, right? Minus 2 comma minus 1. Here 1 comma 1. Minus 1 comma plus 1. Here what it will be? 1 comma 5. Here 2 comma 7. Here 0 comma 3. Okay, those where we put the dots, that dot points also we get. Okay, we got it. Here that straight line where it will intersect the x-axis. Okay, where it will intersect the x-axis, it will intersect the x-axis at x is equal to minus 1, minus 2. Okay, here minus 1, it will intersect x-axis. Only 1 0 at most to 1 0 it will be now. So here we can take the 0, y is equal to 2x plus 3. So what is the 0? If you equate to 0, then 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means minus 1.25. Yes or no? So minus 3 by 2 comma 0 is the, this is x value, this is y value. Okay, minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 also 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So I hope you understand. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me, and have a nice day. Bye.